All right, we've got the ZaneForest silicone bottle brush set. It's a 3-piece set. So these are going to be amazing for sort of like your any sort of bottles or anything that's hard to clean. I'm going to show you how to use these. They've got a nice non-slip handle, as well as these sturdy bristles on the ends of all three of them. So these two have the same kind of bristles. This one's a little bit different. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm just going to show you. So this is going to be the main piece. So these, as you can see, like these two, and even like this, they're so skinny. If you're trying to clean with a sponge, you can't really get your hand in there. So what you can do, you can come over here, fill it up with some water, maybe throw some soap in there, and then you're just going to stick this in, and you can kind of just spin around like that. And so it cleans the bottom, gets it all clean. And so then from there, so this one, this is going to be good for, maybe like if you have like some sort of like baby pacifier or something where it's like, it's just hard to get totally in there. This, you're just going to spin it. You're just going to spin it, and it's going to spin its way into the little area, and it's going to clean it. And then we've got, where did I put it? Right here. So anything that's like a straw type vibe, like as you can see, this is very skinny. How do you clean that? You got this magical device right here. So you're basically just going to stick it in there, with the, water and soap on there or whatever. You're just going to spin it around, go as deep as you can go, and then you'll pull it out, rinse it out with water. You're all clean. So as you can see, this ZaneForest 3-piece set, highly recommend it.